2025 is not the future anymore. It's now. And right now, AI is making people thousands of dollars online daily. The question is, will you watch others get rich, or are you ready to actually join the movement? Whether you're in the US or Europe, today I'm going to give you a full roadmap to making your first $1,000 day with AI tools, even if you're starting from scratch. Forbes recently reported that AI startups and freelancers are seeing explosive growth in the US and Europe. The AI services market is projected to hit $407 billion by 2027, aka less than 2 years from now. Think about it. In every gold rush, the real money was not made by miners. It was made by those who sold the shovels. And today, AI tools are the new shovels. Here are the 4 business models that you can start today with no tech background needed at all. The very first one, AI content creation such as blogging and YouTube automation. You could probably earn somewhere between $300 and $1,000 a day doing that. All you need is ChatGPT, Jasper.ai, OpusClip, Pictory.ai. And here's how it breaks down. Use ChatGPT to write blogs or video scripts. Use Pictory or OpusClips to turn scripts into faceless YouTube videos. Monetize through YouTube AdSense plus affiliate links. And here's the calculation breakdown. Let's say you do 30 videos a month, 10,000 views per video is roughly 300,000 views per month, with the CPM being between $8 and $12. Now, that's $2,400 to $3,600 a month from AdSense. Add affiliate marketing to that and quickly expand up to $1,000 a month extra. Just as an example, a US-based creator, AI Explained Daily, went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months using only AI-generated videos. Here's the second one. Freelance AI services, such as prompt engineer, content creator, and automation. Really, you could probably earn between $100 and $500 a day doing that. And here's the tools that you'll need for it. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI, Make.com, Zapier. So what you would do is offer AI-generated content, social media automation, or you could even do AI art and AI videos. Turn around and use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Contra, and get your clients custom ChatGPT prompt packs for real estate, $150. Automation setup for solopreneurs. That is a huge industry, $200 per job. Because I will sit here and tell you, I used to be a solopreneur, and if somebody could come in and help me automate it, it's worth well more than $200 per job. Let's say you did 5 small gigs a day at, let's just say it was $100 per gig. That's $500 a day, which very simply is $15,000 a month. Here's the third route, AI affiliate marketing. You could really earn between $100 and $1,000 a day doing AI affiliate marketing. Again, you're using tools like ChatGPT and a personal brand or a website. What you want to do is promote AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, Writesonic, Notion AI. Use AI to generate the content plus SEO blogs and emails. And then US affiliate programs pay between 20 and 50% recurring commissions. So here's a simple calculation. Let's say you had 50 signups per month at $49 each. It's $24.50 a month. And now let's say you're getting 30% recurring. That's $735 a month in straight passive income. Now, the fourth option, build AI products without coding. Your earnings potential are anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day, and that's long term. You'll use tools like Softer.io, Glide, Make, Chatbase, VoiceFlow. And what you will do is just build micro SaaS or AI tools using no-code AI platforms. So for example, create an AI chatbot for mental health, coaches, or job seekers. And just to provide you an example, there was an Italian solopreneur that built an AI resume tool using ChatGPT with API and Softer. Now, that solopreneur is making over $5,000 a month in sales. So now that I've laid that out, I want to give you your step-by-step strategy. Number 1, you're going to want to pick your model. So choose one based on your strengths, talking, writing, designing, managing. So for example, if you're talking, do YouTube. If you're writing, go the blog route. If you're designing, do AI art. Or if you're just on the managing side, do freelance and automation. Step 2, learn fast and use free YouTube tutorials or platforms like Coursera and Skillshare. Step 3, you're going to want to build your portfolio. So create 5 sample works, such as reels, blogs, AI art. Publish them on LinkedIn, Instagram, Fiverr, or on your own website if you're doing personal branding. Step number 4, outreach and traffic. This is the key, okay? What you're going to want to do is DM at least 30 businesses per week with your AI offer. Make sure you're posting daily on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, you name it. You have to be out there and be known. Now, what you can do is take it up a notch, and let's say you run ads for $5 a day just to promote your service. Step number 5 is scale with systems. This is the fun part. Now that you're offering these services, automate your own system using tools like Zapier and Make.com. Then, very simply, outsource repetitive work to other freelancers. And as a result of all that work, which really isn't that much, within 60 to 90 days, you can realistically hit $200 to $1,000 a day with ease. The truth of the matter is, AI will not replace you, but a person that's using AI will. The only difference between you and those making $1,000 a day is action. And if you don't believe me, go read the email from the CEO of Fiverr that was sent out to all of his employees about AI and how AI is coming to either A, help you do more, or B, replace you. You've got to get on the AI train. If you want me to break down each of these AI tools in detail, drop AI money in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone that's stuck in the 9 to 5. This is your time to take action. This is our generation's gold rush, unlike we've seen before. Let AI work for you.